Where are all these extra costs coming from, Gavin?
There's a few extra costs from across the board, Colette. And the first thing to state is that when we were talking about the costs a few weeks ago, and we talked about how €229,000 had to be spent on building works to make sure that the building could actually fit the printer that was going in. When we're talking about those figures, we weren't including VAT. So VAT of 13.5% had to be levied on top of that. Now, to a certain degree, that is the state paying itself, and it will get the money back. But it is still outgoings that the Oireachtas had to account for. And also the building works, which we were previously told had cost €229,000 in the report from the same man, Peter Finnegan, a couple of weeks ago. In his update to members of the Public Accounts Committee today, he actually says that it's €267,000, that the electrical works cost quite a bit more than planned, and also the mechanical works cost a little bit more than had originally been stated. So instead of it being 229 plus VAT, it's actually 267 plus VAT. And there's one other significant thing which we hadn't been told about before now, which is outsourcing costs. Clearly, during some of the disruption where they had expected to have this printer online and through all the works that needed to be done, clearly some printing works which Leinster House needed to be able to do, they could not do. And they incurred costs of €100,000 between 2018 and 2019, outsourcing some of that print work. Now, on top of the Oireachtas bill, which comes to nearly 1.8 million, there's also works from the OPW of 220,000. The Leinster House itself isn't paying for that, but the taxpayer certainly is. The overall cost now a pinch over €2 million.
All right, no measuring tape the last time and no calculator this time.
Definitely
it looks like,
not.
Gavin. All right, thanks very much.